brightest hour on my darkest day. I realize what you want from me. Can't get over you, can't get through to you. It's been an elder skelter roaming from the start. Take these memories that are haunting me on a paper man cut in a shred by his own paper scissors. He'll never forgive her, he'll never forgive her. Because they come and go, but my feeling for you are forever. Because they come and go, but my feeling for you are forever. Sitting by the fire on a lonely night, hanging over another good time with another girl, little dirty girl. You should listen to the story of a life. You're my heroine, but it's more